Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making a beef fajita rice bowl and I'm using my Ninja cooking system with Auto IQ. This recipe can be found in the included cookbook that comes with the Ninja. If you do not have this Ninja, no worries, you can still make this recipe in any skillet as long as it has a lid. First I started off by preheating the Ninja and then I added in some oil. Now I'm adding in some thinly sliced beef along with some fajita seasoning. So next it's time to add the veggies. I have some sliced onion and some sliced red and green bell peppers. So now I'm just going to let this cook for a few minutes until everything comes together. Next it's time to add 1 cup of uncooked rice. I'm using Uncle Ben's because I don't have to rinse this. So when I don't feel like rinsing my rice, I use Uncle Ben's because it's ready to go. And now I'm adding in 2.5 cups of beef broth. And then I am putting on the lid and then I'm hitting layered bowls, and this is recipe number 3, and I just hit start and that's it. And 30 minutes later, this is the finished dish, and I can just serve it up just like this, or I can serve it up in some warm tortillas. So like I said, if you don't have the Ninja, do this on your stovetop in your skillet. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!